Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. How you doing? Today we're going to do a song by U2 called Every Breaking Wave. It's the next hired request. Let's take a listen to the beginning of it. So lots of repeating patterns in this, along with other things in the song. So I teach a different way. I don't use traditional music notation. I use my own notation on the whiteboard. We do play without reading traditional music notation, but I have this system on the whiteboard that works for a lot of people who have had trouble reading music and that are musically talented, love music, and this seems to work for them. So maybe it will for you. Give it a try. If you're a member of the website, WebPianoTeacher.com, you can download my sheets and watch all the other videos of every song you like. So we're going to start with a G chord, left hand on the G, right hand on D, B, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So there's 4 counts, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to B minor, left hand goes to B, right hand F sharp D, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to a D. So a D on the left hand, right hand, still on F sharp D, you don't change that. So the F sharp D, it's a B minor when you have a B on the bass, but then when you have a D on the bass, it's a D chord. Because those two chords share the F sharp and D. Okay, and then left hand A, right hand E, C sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then my little dot to dot signal, so that tells you to go back and play between the dots. So let's do that. Now I did that, I played the dot to dot, now I need to go over here because I did it. So now it goes, so it's the A chord, but it's a little bit more involved. And I'm gonna play it with 1, 2, 5 on C sharp E, A for this measure. C sharp E, A, 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the A chord. Then I go back to G, and I'm gonna do a shorthand now since we kind of understand what's going on. 4 times, 2, 3. B minor, D, A, G, B minor, and D, A, back to G, B minor, and then D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. For some reason, this one is different. It's almost like the notes didn't come down, so the player played it again at the end to make them come out. But 1, 2, 3, 4, A, 3, 4. So you can make that difference if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then G, 2, 3, 4, B minor, and D. And then A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. What's the last 3 notes there? 1 and 2 and 3, C sharp, E, F sharp, because it's a lead into the next part, okay? 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Okay, so let's do this last little section, and this is a little more involved here. So G chord, B, D, G, left hand on a G, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Same rhythm, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So it's B, D, F sharp, B on the right, 1, 2, 3, 5, left hand on the B, F sharp, 2, and 3, and 4. And count 1 is a D chord, A, D, F sharp, A, 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. All right, so D chord, A, D, A, D, A, E, A, then A, C sharp. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that part 1. Tons more lessons like it on WebPianoTeacher.com. Download the sheets, have fun, learn all the songs you've always wanted to learn your whole life. Have a good time. Talk to you later.